The Haryana Police is the primary law enforcement agency in the state of Haryana. It is headed by the Director General of Police, DGP, and comes under the direct control of the Department of Home Affairs, Government of Haryana. The police headquarters is established in Panchkula, Haryana. The force is responsible for maintaining law and order, preventing crime, and investigating criminal offences within the state. Motto: Seva Suraksha Sahyog. Division of the Haryana Police Administration. Commissionerates, divided into 4 city police commissionerates, headed by the Commissioner of Police, CP. Ranges, 5 police ranges, each headed by an Inspector General of Police, IGP. Districts, each headed by a Superintendent of Police, SP. Further, it is subdivided into subdivisions, circles, and police stations. Some of the major departments and units are Crime Investigation Department, CID. Economic Offences Wing. Intelligence Wing. Haryana Armed Police, HAP. Haryana Traffic Police, HTP. Railways. Other special units are the Cyber Crime Cell, Women's Cell, Special Task Force, Narcotics Control Bureau, and Forensic Science Laboratory, FSL. Want to report an incident to the Haryana Police? Citizens can call the toll-free helpline number, send an email, or submit an online EFIR complaint to the police. To officially register a complaint or file an FIR NCR, non-cognizable report, for civil or criminal offences in Haryana, visit the nearest police station. If your case remains unaddressed within the stipulated time frame, you may escalate the matter to higher police authorities. Emergency? In case of emergencies, dial 112, Emergency Response Support System, for immediate assistance from the Haryana Police. For direct police assistance, call 100. How to file an EFIR or police complaint to the Haryana Police? The Haryana Police has implemented an integrated crime and criminal tracking network and systems, CCTNS, for citizen services to report incidents. Citizens can register police complaints or file online EFIRs, non-criminal, for cases involving unknown accused or non-serious reports. Difference between a police complaint and an FIR. Police complaint, this can be either oral or written, accusing someone of an offense. It is applicable for both cognizable and non-cognizable crimes without any specific complaint format. FIR, First Information Report, initial information, submitted orally or in a written format on plain paper, about cognizable offences, civil criminal, to the police station. The FIR must be registered with the officer in charge or show of the police station for a police investigation. The magistrate may take action based on the FIR. Be aware of your rights and protect against misconduct such as corruption or harassment by police officials, as defined in the Citizen Charter of the Haryana Police. Grievance Redressal Mechanism. Following the regulations set by the Home Department, the grievance redressal mechanism of the Haryana Police is organized into a 3-tiered structure. The process begins at the local police station, where individuals can report their concerns. If necessary, cases can be escalated to higher authorities. Registration fee. No charges, 0 rupees. Resolution period. As per the rules defined by Haryana Police, read Citizen Charter. FIR filing. Immediately at the police station. Copy of FIR. Free of cost, mandatory. 3 levels of escalation. Superintendent of Police, SP, District. Inspector General, IG, Deputy Inspector General, DIG, Range Office. Director General of Police, DGP, Haryana State Police. Ways to lodge an FIR complaint with Haryana Police. Online, file complaints first via the CCTNS, social channels, or the Haryana Police app. Offline, dial 112 for emergencies, use helpline numbers, or visit police stations in person. Level 1. File an EFIR or complaint, Haryana Police. To file an FIR or police complaint with the Haryana Police, you can visit your local police station. For less severe cases involving civil or non-criminal incidents, you also have the option to submit an online EFIR or police complaint through the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and Systems, CCTNS. When filing an FIR, provide these details. Complainant details, name, address, and contact information of the person filing the FIR. Incident details, nature of the incident, information about the victim, if known, and details about the accused with the date and time of the incident. Stolen property or motor vehicle details, if applicable if the FIR pertains to theft or involves a motor vehicle. Supporting documents. Attach supporting evidence such as photos or videos of the incident. Provide identity proof, document files, or any other relevant information. Specify the preferred police station where you want the FIR to be registered. FIR application format. Use plain paper for a simple application format. Typically, no specific format is required for the FIR complaint application. By including these details, the police can facilitate the FIR registration and investigate based on the FIR. 1. File an FIR. Register an online EFIR, non-SR cases. Lodge online FIR to Haryana Police. File an FIR. Track FIR status. Click to search. Local police station. Click to contact haryanapolice.gov.in. DGP Police Headquarters. File your complaint. If you are facing technical issues with citizen services, email at keshavdisk-hy@nic.in or call to +9117 225879000. Tip: if you have filed an FIR at your local police station, ensure to obtain a complimentary copy of the FIR along with an acknowledgement receipt if required. Note: in case of public nuisances, such as smoking in public places, drinking alcohol, loud noise at night parties, or any other illegal activities, dial 112 to register a police complaint. Want to file a case? File a case online by e-filing to district high courts. Emergency. In an emergency, you may request help from the 112 Emergency Response Support System, ERSS, for police, medical, fire, and railways in Haryana, providing your location. Police Helpline Number. Citizen Helplines. Police Helpline Number 112 180018011135 GRP. DGP Police HQ Control Room 1800180220 +9117 225879001 CCTNS. Other helplines: 1090 Women, 1098 Child. Anti-Corruption Bureau 1064. CID Control Room 1800180360 +9117 225666686. Arogya Setu 1921. Report cybercrime. Call 1930 to report the cybercrime. Submit a complaint online through the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal or email to the Cybercrime Department. 2. Lodge a police complaint. Register a police complaint, civil or criminal, with Haryana Police. Register online police complaint. File a complaint. Inform the police. Tip: click to report. Email policehq. police@hy.nic.in. Police Control Room. Police HQ. Report to Police Headquarters, DGP, by email at police@hy.nic.in or call at +9117 225875929. Note: for more information from the Haryana Police, you may file an online RTI, Right to Information, request within the respective department. 3. E-Services. The Haryana Police provides various e-services for citizens, offering convenient online access to certificates and licenses through the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and Systems, CCTNS. This service is accessible for residents and allows them to effortlessly obtain required documents and licenses. Apply online or download the necessary forms for character or police clearance certificate, employee stranger verification, tenant domestic help verification, validation of owners of cyber cafe, hotel, and applicant for community liaison groups, NOC for pre-owned vehicles or use of loudspeakers, issuance of NOC for petrol pump, cinema hall, etc. You can access these citizen services online and download the forms through the Harsamay, haryanapolice.gov.in. Police Commissionerates, Haryana Police. For unresolved complaints or reporting incidents to higher authorities such as the Police Commissioner in respective cities of Haryana, reach out to the Police Control Room and send an email to the respective Police Commissionerates of Haryana Police. Contact details of concerned police commissionerates. District Superintendent of Police, SP. If your concern or complaint remains unresolved at the local police station, particularly for criminal, serious, or corruption related cases, elevate the matter to the Superintendent of Police, SP, in your district. Note: if complaints related to citizen services or police functioning are not satisfactorily addressed, take the next step by submitting a grievance online through the CM Window Haryana CM Grievance Redressal and Monitoring System to the Appellate Officer for Haryana Police at Home Department. Contact details of District SP. Level 2, Range Inspector General of Police, IGP, Haryana Police. At Level 2, the Haryana Police has designated an Inspector General of Police, IG, for each range in the state to supervise law enforcement activities within the districts of their respective range. If your case remains unresolved by the District Superintendent of Police, SP, you can escalate it to the Range Inspector General, IGP, at this level. Level 3, Director General of Police, DGP, Haryana Police. The Director General of Police, DGP, in Haryana serves as the administrative head, responsible for overseeing police affairs across all jurisdictions under the Range Inspector General of Police, IJ, and managing police administration in the state. If there are any unresolved complaints or cases at lower levels, citizens have the option to escalate the matter to the DGP's office for further review and resolution. 1. State Police Control Room, Haryana Police, DGP HQ. Designation: DGP HQ, Haryana State Police. Phone number: +911722587902, +911722587901, CCTNS. Fax: 01722567267. Email: police@hry.nic.in. Address: DGP Office, Police Control Room, Police Headquarters, Sector 6, Panchkula, Haryana. 2. Contact Director General of Police, DGP. Need more help with a specific department? Kindly follow the guidelines defined by Haryana Police and get in touch with the Director General of Police's control room. Alternatively, you may visit your nearest police station or seek advice from a legal professional, like a lawyer, for further guidance and legal action.